Thank you.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, parents. It is with great pleasure this morning to be in this place with parents and learners, a prestigious award ceremony at Greendale School. It is yet another day to show that Greendale is the best school. There is talent at Greendale. There is gifted learners. There are learners who come to school prepared to grasp. There are teachers who come to school prepared to give the best that they can. Thank you very much, parents, for making time to come today. I have been introduced. So what I'm saying is to you parents, feel welcomed. This is your school. We cannot make it without you. We cannot succeed without your support. Your support means so much to us. To the learners, this is the time of the year where all the work that you've been doing throughout the year shows up or pays off. This is the time when you're supposed to look back and say, I gave it my best. When you toil throughout the year, doing your homework, studying for the assessments that the teachers are giving to you, it's not in vain. So you are making us proud as your teachers, as the management of the school, and as well making your parents proud because they are not wasting their money paying for school fees, toiling for you to get the best education. Thank you very much. Give yourselves a round of applause. Lovely, and you all look beautiful. To parents, sit back, relax, enjoy. See what we do every day at Greendale. From the beginning of the year, what we have been doing with your children. And it doesn't stop today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. We have great talent there. We have potential. It takes us to nurture it. To the educators, much appreciated. All the work that you are doing, it doesn't go in vain or go unnoticed. We have educators who are dedicated, who are giving it their all, who are committed to empowering and equipping the souls. Thank you very much for all the hard work you have been putting throughout the year. Thank you very much, parents. Let me not waste time. It's not about me today, but it's about these beautiful souls. So together, let us celebrate the achievements. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Shobra.